Sakshi of class 7B. As we all know that the world is suffering from this terrible pandemic coronavirus. Due to coronavirus, the entire country is in lockdown. All of us are asked to practice social distancing and to stay at our home. Today I am going to tell you about few precautions that children must take after they go to their school after lockdown. Social distancing has to be the key. Children should maintain a distance from other children in school to protect themselves from the virus. Children should carry their own lunch box, water bottles and should not have outside food and water. Most important of all is to carry sanitizers and oxygen masks. Maintaining hygiene and cleanliness will keep the virus away. Also, besides everything, education is also getting affected. However, online classes have been started to reduce the loss. All the children should make sure that they revise their chapters and lessons and complete their holiday homework before going to school in order to understand and learn the chapters carefully. Thank you.
Morning to all. My name is Veronica. As we all know that our summer vacations are going on and after that our school will going to be reopened. Now I will tell you some important point that you all should remember and keep in your mind before school reopen. First, but the most important point, we all should keep books, copies, compass, stationery, holiday homework and assignment that is provided from school in our bag so that we can check it out from the teacher. Second point, we all should keep double lunch and double bottle. In one bottle we can keep water and second bottle we can keep tank, rasna, glucon-D or water. What you want to keep you can. Due to coronavirus, do not take anything from outside the school and from school canteen. Third point, we all should complete our work, holiday homework, assignment and pending work before school reopen, as on very first day teacher will ask to these all. Label your belongings like copies and cover them also, but if the kids are very small, then keep label on their books, copies, lunchbox, geometry so that they do not lose them. Fifth point, keep your study table area clean because in vacation it would become messy. And also paste new calendar there so that you can use throughout the year. Keep at least 2 copy of timetable so that if one copy misplaced, the second one you have to use. All the instruction I have told you, you all should follow and keep in your mind. Thank you.
Good morning all of you, I am Aryan. As we all know that our summer vacations are going to be over and after summer vacations our school is going to be reopened. I will tell you about some important points that you must keep in mind before our school reopen. First, I will tell you about that we should memorize, note contact number of our school bus or van and the number of our driver. Route and timing should also be noted in advance so that you don't reach school late on the first day. Second, I will tell you about how to reset our daily routine. I used to wake up late during summer vacations, but now we have to get up early in the morning for our schools. This is called resetting our daily routine. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Third and the most important thing that you must keep in mind that we have to follow some of these following precautions due to COVID-19 or coronavirus. Maintain social distancing in class. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Avoid close contact with each other. About 1 to 3 feet distance must be there. Carry a hand sanitizer with you. Wash your hands for 20 seconds. Wash your hands after every period. Wear a breathable mask and glove. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze and throw the used tissues in closed bins immediately. Due to these precautions, we can save ourselves from COVID-19 period. Thanks for watching this video. Be safe, be secure.